All right, we just got to Torch Tattoo in Anaheim.
Anaheim.
Right next to Disneyland.
Right across the street.
Dude, it's a vibe down here. And we gotta go back down.
I'm gonna go down it now. Couldn't get a tattoo, so you get a shirt.
I wish we knew.
Oh, if we knew, bring the bathing suits. Don't forget your sunscreen. Keep watching.
Keep watching. We're gonna get a drone.
Invest in a drone. Keep watching.
We're gonna do it. We're at Daydream Coffee in Newport Beach right now. Amazing
Spilling all
coffee.
over
Just
yourself.
spilling. What are you eating?
Breakfast sandwich. It's really good. It's sick.
But yeah, Daydream in Newport. Amazing. Matt got his grips on this morning.
Yep.
They look sick. So yesterday we were talking, like after we got back from riding, it was wild. We did like 3 different types of riding. We did like highway lane splitting, we did canyons, and then we did PCH. So it's like we got a taste of all types of California riding, and
It was pretty cool.
It was sick. What was your favorite?
Canyon.
For sure, canyon. We might try to go rip some canyons today. Angel Crest Highway, check that out, because I think, yeah, canyon's been my favorite riding.
I mean, PCH was really nice. There's just a lot of traffic.
Yeah, I feel like if we were going the other way when the sun was setting, that would have been sicker.
If it was middle of the day, that side, the riding that part of the PCH would have been good because we were right along the water.
All right, follow along. We'll take you. We'll see where we take you next. The day is kind of up in the air.
Yeah.
We're just gonna see what happens today.
Yeah, we sure are.
Cheers. I almost clipped a mirror, dude. It's a little tough lane splitting on a bagger, but I almost clipped it. We're surviving, but having a Dyna in California, I can see why a lot of people have them. We're heading to Torch Tattoo right now in Anaheim. I think Anaheim. We're gonna go see our buddy Gus. He tattoos there. We're gonna go say what's up. And Matt wants to see the shop because maybe he'll guest spot there one day. Let's go. All right, we just got to Torch Tattoo in Anaheim.
Anaheim.
Right next to Disneyland.
Right across the street.
We're visiting our boy Gus. I've known him for, I don't know, 5-6 years.
It's been a good minute now.
Tell us about the shop, what you do,
Yeah.
how long you've been tattooing, all that stuff.
Yeah, tattoo out of Torch Tattoo in Anaheim, California. Been tattooing now for 7 years. I apprenticed here for a couple years. Been working at a tattoo shop for, I don't know, at least like the last 15 years. And yeah, built a nice little home base here. Super stoked. It's always a lot of people coming, traveling. You know, luckily Orange County and LA is so close. There's a big hub of people traveling here all the time. So it's always nice to get people out here and get to tattoo and meet different people. You know? Yeah.
And you do a lot of stuff with VG guys, right?
Yeah, I do a lot of stuff with Violent Gentlemen. I've known those guys since, I mean, before they started the brand, but we've all been hockey fans since, you know, we were young kids, and it kind of made sense. When they started,
Right.
I was already kind of drawing my own, like, hockey flash and whatnot.
Yeah.
So it just kind of made sense that eventually we would make something happen.
Well, now you gotta do something for us.
Yeah, gladly, dude. Yeah, I would love to.
Indestructible
Yeah,
shirt.
100%. I would be
Gus
honored.
Phillips.
Yeah, I would be honored. Yeah,
I also
great.
love that there's like a hockey brand and hockey fans in Southern California.
Dude,
It's
that's
so
the craziest
crazy.
part. The people that I tattoo that get hockey tattoos are always just like kind of either grew up like me or completely opposite of me. And like, oh yeah, I grew up in Detroit, Michigan, and like, you know, every winter we had a backyard pond hockey, you know, like whatever. And I'm like, I had none of that. I had street hockey here, but I still love the game, and it's cool we can share that bond, you know?
Yeah.
Plus, like, people love traveling out here. I get to travel a lot of tattoo a lot of Canadians, which is super cool, and kind of become a thing to, like, get tattooed here, hit up Violent Gentleman store, and, like, maybe catch a game, you know? Like, it's kind of cool, and like you're close to LA, so you get the kids too. Like,
Dude, we love it here. Like, we're talking about like how can we move here? Like, move Grand over. We would do it for sure. Like, especially because we ride, obviously, and it's like we can only ride like 5-6 months out of the year in Canada.
See, I always forget about that, dude. Yeah. Oh yeah, make your way out here, dude.
Yeah, maybe you'll find us here.
We'll see.
That'd be great. Sick. Can't wait.
Sweet, man. We'll appreciate the
Of
chat.
course. Thank
Awesome
you guys.
to see
Thank you guys for stopping by, man. Super
Appreciate it,
stoked
man.
to see you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
All right, that was Torch Tattoo. Matt, you got a couple of tees?
Yeah, I got a couple tees.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, let's go over to the bike. But that's a rad shop, and those are all really nice dudes in there.
If you're in Anaheim,
Yeah.
get tattooed at Torch Tattoo. See our boy Gus.
2 shirts. One's from one of the artists there, being. It's the front. There's the back. Whoop. There you go. Couldn't get a tattoo, so you get a shirt.
All right, we're gonna head out to Angel's Crest Tunnels. Check that out. I'm desperate to rip some more canyons. I love it. It's my favorite California riding. Let's go! The GoPro's not going to do any justice. So we took, I think it's called San Gabriel. Oh. I think it's called San Gabriel Canyon Road, Crystal Lake Road, I think as well it's called. We're trying to get over to Angel Crest Tunnels down the Angel Crest Highway, but road's closed over here, so we're gonna go back down this way. But nonetheless, it was an insane ride.
Yeah, that was nuts. Ever ridden roads like that.
I think we're like I think I saw a sign, we're like 5,000 feet elevation. We're up here.
I'm pretty sure I just heard Dan say the GoPro isn't going to do it justice, but unless you've been here, being camera's not going to do this justice.
But I could tell, like, my bike was like struggling going up because of how high we are. And I've heard people always talk about that.
Yeah.
Like, I've watched in other vlogs, people are like, oh, my bike's like struggling. It's like, now I see what it's like when you're so high up and it just struggles.
We were just climbing.
Yeah.
That whole way up here, it's just a climb.
Now we gotta go back down.
We're gonna go down it now.
Because we can't keep going, the road's closed.
It's gonna be a lot of downshifting.
Yeah.
I feel like.
So there's no Angel Crest tunnels today, but we got this beautiful canyon to rip. Matt, should we pick up a drone for the ride home? Do you think we need a drone?
Yeah, I'd say so. If we're gonna be in anything like this.
I wish we had a drone right now. I think we should pick one up for the vlog.
Yeah, keep watching.
Keep watching. We're gonna get a drone.
Invest in a drone. Keep watching.
We're gonna do it.
Okay. This road's been closed a while.
Yeah, bummer. Too bad we couldn't get around it.
Yeah. Wonder why it's closed.
Hey, where are you going?
You should find somewhere to have a little bathroom.
A bathroom break, he says.
Okay, well, listen.
You're taking a piss. You're
For anybody who's gonna, if anybody's gonna say like that's gross, there is no bathrooms anywhere.
it's just dudes that watch our channel. No one's gonna think it's gross.
Well, if there is, I'd like everyone to watch our channel, and if you are, and you're like, what the fuck are you pissing outside? Because we have nowhere else to piss.
No one cares. It's fine. Should we make our way down or what?
Let's do it. Time to go back down.
There's like a ton of cars parked here. I think there's like a Springs or something.
Yeah, it looks like people are popping little tents up, maybe having lunch over here.
Dude, it sounds like there's a party going on right now. I wish we knew.
Oh, if we knew, bring the bathing suits and shit. Dude, this is cool as shit. Man, if we knew, we brought our bathing suits, packed a little picnic.
Dude, it's a vibe down here. People are having a great time. This is sick.
People are straight camping here too.
I don't know if this is like a campsite or people were just here for the day. It looked like people were camping.
I feel like people are camping. Like, I feel like they'd come for like the weekend. Some people probably just for the day. You gotta wonder. There's tents set up.
That's the spot. This is the spot. That's a good spot
cool.
to hang. All right, let's continue down the canyon. Head to the bottom of the canyon.
What was it? Don't forget your sunscreen.
There's another day riding in beautiful California. We'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll see what the next vlog brings. But anyway, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.